you have to do one by one. That's just a small little bit you can able to do it. Okay. Mhm. Okay, so this file is in a local resources. If in case if my file is in here, okay, if in case my file is my code is in the Jenkins, this one. So what to do? For example, this is a JP basic one. So this is one repository. I have a lot of files in that one. So I will take this one for an example and do it. So first of all, I'm taking this thing, copying the link. It's a JP basic one. Okay, how to do manually, how to do differently. So this is a Git clone. So I'm closing this one. If you see from here, this is my Git repository. My source location is in Git. Okay, so I copied this one. Okay, then I'm going to my folder. So Git clone folder, E drive, Git clone folder, and here what I'm going to do is I'm going to clone that repository here. Okay, now how to clone it? Git clone and the link JP basic one. Okay, so now it is cloned inside, and I got a thing. So you open it. So there is a lot of files are there, including Python files also there inside. So I will take this hello java.java. Again same thing, commands java java c, no cd. You have to go to this one, right? So JP basic. Now inside you can see, like, you can type dir ls commands, anything, no problem. Mm. I am executing this java hello hello java.java. Okay, so I'm going to put c. Okay, I'm first we have to compile it. Once you compile it, class file is will be generated. Then put a java hello java. So hello java with Jenkins. So this is only one file I am executing now. So later we can execute other things also if you want it. So what I have done, where is my actual file is located? My actual file is located in GitHub. So I taken clone it from the GitHub to my local PC, and I executed a file. I executed a file. Okay. Now how to do same thing with the Jenkins? How to do same thing with the Jenkins? Here I'm deleting this one, or leave it, no problem. So nothing will happen. Okay. So here I'm going to Jenkins. So what I'm doing is um, here the source code is from. Oh, I'm not writing anything. Okay, I will write at least this one. Here my source code is GitHub. So I will take the code from GitHub and execute in with Jenkins. Okay, so do with Jenkins. So I'm not writing anything here. We can't write everything is steps only. Okay. Now I'm creating. Go to the dashboard. Create a new item. So create another demo project. So here demo 3. You can tell. So demo 3 hyphen Git project like that. Okay, freestyle project also. This is a same freestyle project only. There is one by one lot of steps in a very small layer itself. Means starting level only lot of small things one by one you have to do it. So then only we'll understand more. Next description like Git as source, and it is a Java file run. Anything just you can just put it. Now compulsory you have to go to source code management. Compulsory source code management is important here. So where is my source code? .git. Where is my source code? .git. So I have to mention that link. So where it is code, copy the link, go to Jenkins. .git is selected. Now guys, this is a public repository. Public repository means anybody can able to take it. If it is a private repository, compulsory authentication is required. That time you have to add the authentication. Just you can click on add. You can see Jenkins or something is showing now. So you have to add the link. Okay. So advanced, so many other options are there. Just click here. Okay. This is a branch build, master branch only. Repository browser auto repository only. Next source code is given. Source code is given git and git link. Okay. Next I'm going to build. You have to read these two things: build triggers and build environment. Build. Next same thing, execute Windows commands only I'm doing now. So directly I'm typing Java C. I know what is the program name inside, so that's why I'm typing directly. Next Java hello Java. So only one. Okay, now so you have to go to build now, then build will be start here, right? So click here, you can find console output, otherwise open it, so you will find the console. So first what it is doing, see cloning the remote git. I didn't give in any command, clone command when I do Jenkins, but automatically it is doing cloning only. It is doing cloning. First it is done cloning. So what is the last commit from Sneha? Now it is executing. It's cloned and it is executing here. See, files are executing directly. I got a output. I got a output. So where it is actually store the data? It's not actually storing here. Actually it stores. I will show you that one. Go to C drive, users, admin, Jenkins folder, workspace. Can you see workspace? Open it. So these are your data. This is a demo 3 last one. So this is the data. Here it is cloned. Okay. If I don't say create a files in the E drive, it will be creating this location only. It will be creating this location only. Okay. So this is the source code is dumping into its local PC here. Jenkins workspace. Here it is taken, it is cloned to here and executing from here directly. Next. Actually it contains so many files. It contains so many files. So I want to execute at least one or two files by changing it. I'm not uploading anything. For example, think like I upload a new code, then I want to execute that code. This is a.java is there, so we'll see the a.java. here only. So there is a dot Java, a 123 dot Java also there. So I'm not going to create new project. Just I'm going to click on configure. Okay, source code is same thing. I'm not changing that one. Just I'm going to build here. Build and post build means after building you want to build some other project, or you want to build continuous different project, continuous different commands, or you want to give a report. So that is a post build. Java C, a dot Java, Java A, Java C, a123 dot Java, Java a123. So compile and run. So each file. So we'll see any errors we are getting. I didn't change my source code. Source code is already there. Save. Also, we can go with the build triggers. Whenever you trigger into your source, any change occurs in the source code, immediately build will start. Once commit is done, immediately build is. So, how to click on build now? So instead of that, I put a. Okay, I will show you that one. Aditya. How much time it will take? Mhm. Honestly, so no problem. We'll see one or two options to understand. Okay. So source code. This is source code already there. Next one is build triggers. Trigger build remotely. Example from the script. Build after other projects are built. So if you tell if some other project is built, okay, then build this one. Okay. So dependent build. Some other project completed, do this one. Build periodically. You can tell schedule one. Morning 9 o'clock, evening 9 o'clock. Okay, every day afternoon, like that. Periodically building. Okay, okay. Build when change is pushed to Bitbucket. So Bitbucket is also in kind of central repository only. So when changes occur, so automatically start building it. Build when change is pushed to GitLab. This is GitLab, not GitHub. Okay, so we didn't give any GitHub related things. Okay, this is a GitLab related. If you are using GitLab kind of stuff, then any new changes occur here, automatically build it. This is GitHub hook trigger SCCM poll. So if you have a Git SCM polling kind of stuff and polling that, if you configure that one, so then we can do it. Perform trigger build poll SCM kind of stuff. Git environment build. Okay, save it. Now build now. Build now. It's the same project only, but different kind of stuff we are done. So first it will trying to do cloning. So you have to read every line here. Cloning. Then now it is executing. First one is executed Java. Hello Java. Next a dot Java. Next a dot 112. Okay. Yeah. Someone put a actually is mad girl like that. Okay. I want to add one more phase to it. So far, um, here it is already in my offline, there is a files are there. Okay, so for example, here it is. I if I want to create some file, or maybe I want to change something in the file. I will try just like earlier. This is hide.java. People uploaded, nothing is there. People uploaded, but nothing is there. Uh, you can edit it existing one, or you can able to do as per your requirement also. It's okay. Do not save. So we'll see in a.java is already there now. So here it is. Someone put a like this. So same thing. I will put a integer. A is equal to 12. Integer b is equal to 10. Then c integer again c is equal to no not required. System dot out print ln a plus b equal to plus a plus b. So we'll see what will happen. So now new update is occur. So what to do? We have to use git init. Okay, git init, git add, and git commit. Okay, a file, a new line, something, git commit. Next, git push. Now I change the code in my local. I put it in my central repository. I put it in a central repository. Again, now I am going to build it. Either I can choose rebuild, or I am going to build only. I can choose rebuild, or I can go to build now. Now see what is going on with 3. So again it is take it. I didn't change the project, I didn't change the source location, just it is now it is taking from remotely. Now it is executing the first command, hello Java. Now it is going with the A. So there is a error. So I think I done mistake in a coding. Okay, this is an error. Okay, so it is an error. So here, then what to do? Go back, right click. I didn't wantedly done, so I try to do it normally. So by mistake it is happened. System dot out. Okay, save it. Then what to do? Again, you have to do the changes. push it. How to change this name? Okay. Okay. Now I am going to rebuild this one. I am going to rebuild last, or you can go for build now. So it will go to the new builder. Okay, this is going on fourth build. Console output. Okay, so I got some output. Okay, I taken as a integer, right? It should be, so the plus may be different in Java. That's why I given a C for that one. So a plus b you have to give, it may be in a bracket something you have to give. You have to check the Java. But now without error it is coming, but this is not correct. Again you have to change how to give a plus b in a Java. Okay, how to do arithmetic operations in that one. So like that, you can continuously development and continuous integration, continuous executions, continuous testing, like that. Okay, so this is to show you that one.